At Verna police station at 11 o'clock in the night, 11 in the night, one Mr. Mahendra Barad, he is a resident of Malwara, Agasaim. He appeared at the police station and gave a complaint that he is having an under construction site at Pajantar Cortalim, and he is having an under construction building, and that he received information that one Pinku alias Lionel, son of Leonard Lobo, aged 32 years, resident of Pajantar Cortalim, is dead in his under construction site, having head injuries and in a pool of blood. So, having recorded his complaint, Verna police station has registered a crime under section 103 of Bharatiya Nyay Sanhita. In a swift action, we called for forensic science personnel and the team, the photographers, everyone appeared at the spot. PI Verna, Melson Culasso, SDPO Vasco, Mr. Salim Sheikh appeared at the spot. I too joined them in the wake-up. And then what we found was the dead body of this Pinku lying in the pool of blood, having head injuries, a crack, complete crack on this thing, and a block of cement block by the side of his body. Blood splashed everywhere and totally smashed. So during the course of inquiry, we came to know that this deceased and others used to sit over there drinking, consuming alcohol heavily, and used to sleep there only. Now, when we rounded up Mr. Alex Coutinho, son of Xavier Francis Coutinho, he is also aged 34 years, of Madang, Cortalim. He was also the friend of this deceased, and around a week back they had a brawl over drinks, wherein he was given he had taken a full bottle of drinks. They had both consumed drinks, and the leftover bottle was taken by the deceased and gone. So this Alex was very much annoyed, and he was waiting for an opportunity. Now, having consumed alcohol yesterday around 7 o'clock, he found the victim Pinku sleeping in the under construction site, and he was also drunk. This Alex also was drunk. In a fit of anger, he took the block of a cement and hit it on his head, causing his death on the spot. And that's how we have detected. We have already arrested Alex Coutinho now at 11 o'clock at Verna police station. The dead body, after the Panchanama, after collecting the required exhibits and samples through forensic science laboratory, has been sent for preservation for conducting post-mortem. The family has been intimated, and we are waiting for the family because some of their relations are abroad, so they are on the way back, and the moment they are back in Goa, we will go ahead with post-mortem in this matter.
They were drinking yesterday also in the same site?
In the same site. The deceased had already drank, and he was sleeping there, because every day he used to sleep there.
Okay.
And the victim accused also used to go there for drinking. So every day is this, because we found number of glasses there, number of bottles there. It's an under construction site. There's a garage next to it, and they would sit every day over there.
The fight was one week before, madam?
No, it was a week back, wherein both had consumed alcohol, and the leftover bottle from the victim was taken away by the accused. So was taken away by the victim. So the accused was very much annoyed कि म्हजी बाटली वेली म्हणून आणि 4 दीस हांव पितलो आशिल्लो न्ही. So this fellow took it. So that was the thing, and both are unemployed, just doing some here and there labor work. So that bottle was good enough for them.
Madam, we hear as per sources that the accused was present yesterday when the police was there at the site. Is it true?
Exactly. So first of all, when he came out after doing that, he saw people over there, and he said that somebody killed him. and I could find, because I think he was wanting to go, but then when he found the people outside, that is why he made a little bit, try to make a hue and cry, and so these laborers went, and so that's how they went. They informed this garage owner and the under construction site owner, Mr. Barad, and then Barad came on the spot. He saw that yes, it is so, and went and came to the police station and given a complaint. But when we have examined the accused, now at 11 when we have rounded him up, there are blood stains on his wearing apparels, as well as we can see there are blood stains also in the nails of his person. And then afterwards he said, "I'm sorry, under fit of alcohol I have done that, and motive is this about the drinks."
He has committed the crime, he has alerted the people, and he has tried to misguide also.
Alert, yes, he tried to misguide. He appears to be he wanted to run, but luckily he found somebody there, over there, and so he felt that he might be caught, because there were stains also on his t-shirt and all. So now this person also is inside, and they are known over there, so he cannot escape. So he tried to mislead first.
So he confirmed.
He confirmed.
But two things. One, as you said, it's a under construction site. I was speaking to some locals. They said that they require police patrolling in that particular spot, especially the panchayat officials said. So can you?
Yes, our police patrolling is always there, but only thing is what happening. One time, suppose the police from patrolling PCR goes to the other end, like Birla Circle. Then this side it is like at times abandoned. But then this is under construction site. There is a garage there. There are a lot of people coming there. Understood? And lot of people also for the garage vehicle repairs. There are constant people there. Constant. It is not completely abandoned place as such.
They consume at the old fish market site. So that is the side one.
Okay.
Secondly, it is a very tragic incident. So what's your message to the youths becoming addict of alcohol and other?
First of all, addiction is bad. Addiction of drinks, addiction of narcotic substances is bad for health, for family, for social life, and for the village and for the country. People should invest their time in reading, in nurturing good behavior, good habits, and into their own physique, maintaining their own physique, and doing constructive work for the village, instead of getting into all these nasty things and getting themselves involved in criminal offences. First of all, the moment you have a good group, parents also should see that their children are going with the good other children and not rowdy. Parents also should check where their children were, what time they are coming, what is their gait when they return back home. All this definitely makes a lot of changes in the life of the people. So we should not be only thinking like we are working, or okay, they have their own space. This is what nowadays everybody thinks, that I am become 18 years old, 20 years old, I am adult and I should have my own space, I have my own friends. That is not the way the life has to be. So there has to be constant parenting also, and family ties also, communication between the parents and the children, keeping a watch on them that they are in a constructive line.